Welcome to SQ Tech Lab YouTube channel. In this video, we will explain CapCut PC Timeline in detail. Let's start the class. Open CapCut on PC. After opening CapCut, here in homepage we can find our all previous projects. Click on this project we was working in last class. Well, you can see our project is open from the position where we left this in last video. This is because CapCut automatically saves every project. Here, this is Timeline in CapCut software. To edit any video project, importing clips in Timeline is a must. We had to import clips into Import tab first to use those in Timeline. We already have some media files imported here. Let's import some more file to use here. Now we need to place these media files from Import tab into Timeline. There are two ways we can follow to do so. First way is by clicking on this plus icon here at the left of the video or audio files. This is called Add to Track button. Second option is just select the media clip and drag it to the timeline. Okay, we can expand our timeline to get better view here. For doing this, we can use shortcut key Control and mouse wheel up or down. Also, we can use this slider here to adjust the view of our timeline. Hovering over the timeline will give us a preview of the video. Well, here we have Select Tool and Split Tool. By Select Tool, we can select any clip and then we can do trimming on that clip in Timeline. Also, by selecting a clip, we can move it anywhere in Timeline. And Split Tool is used for cutting any clip into several parts. We will discuss about these tools in our next video. Now, if we select any clip in Timeline and right-click on that clip, we can see several options there, such as copy, cut, delete, split scene, extract audio, replace clip, etc. Well, if our video clip has audio with it, we can select Extract Audio option. This will allow us to separate the audio from that clip. Let's undo it for now. Okay. Here you need to notice one thing. If you import clips to Timeline by Add to Track button, the clip will be added just after where your pointer is located. If our pointer is in the beginning of Timeline, the new clip will be added in the beginning. If pointer is in the middle of the timeline, the new clip will be added next to it. On the other hand, if the pointer is towards the end of the timeline, the new clip will be added in the last. Here in Timeline, this row is audio track. All sound and audio clips can be seen in this track. Here you can find audio symbol also. This is main media track. You can manage video and image files in this track. No audio files. And all these above row is additional media track. You can manage video, image, text, stickers in those tracks. Well, here down left we have some more options. This is lock track. If we click this option, this track will be locked. We can make no changes in those clips under this track until we unlock it. And this is option to hide any track. All clips from this track now are hidden from our player and project. You can see player is blank now. Let's unhide this track. And this is option you can use to mute all clips from any track. That's all for today. We will learn trimming and split tool in next class. Hope this content was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, like this video and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for our next video and take care.